अच्छा, नाइस नाइस, कितने प्यारे हो आप. Hi everyone, so it's a lovely morning here in Nubra Valley and we'll be heading to Pangong Lake today. So yeah, there's a bit of a caveat here that we need to leave quick. We are already late because the breakfast wasn't ready yet and a driver hasn't arrived yet. So yeah, it's basically like there is a bridge which gets filled with water if we get too late to arrive over there, and after that we won't be able to head to Pangong Lake. So I've heard a few stories from a few people that they weren't able to experience that area, so we don't want that to happen. So hopefully we'll arrive there soon. So yeah, let's see. I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, we are midway to our journey towards Pangong and the roads are hell. There's too much upside down and everything just turning right up there. So we just waited for a while so that we could chill for a bit and then resume our journey. It's still a long way to go, but yeah. Hi guys, so we just found this beautiful river running through, so we just wanted to come around and have a look at it. So basically you can drink this water. I did try it. Lovely. Tastes amazing. Really pure and nice. Just the sound of water is so soothing, I think. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sanandoji.
Okay, so you can communicate in English?
Yes.
Hindi also? And what's your mother tongue?
My mother name is Turkalamu.
Mother tongue, like what language do you speak at home?
Ladakhi.
Ladakhi. Nice, nice. How old are you?
Huh?
How old?
11-year-old.
Okay, okay. तो हिंदी में बात करूँ या इंग्लिश में बात करूँ? ज़्यादा अच्छी कौन सी लगती है?
दोनों लगती है.
दोनों लगती है? Wow, wow, wow. You talk really nicely. Photo. So guys, we have arrived at a point where jab tak Jan shooting was done. So yeah, quite interesting. The view is nice. So is the place. So there's a board which says jab tak Jan. This shot was captured over here. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi guys, so we have finally reached at the Pangong Lake and it is a beautiful sight. I have to say that it's legit blue in color. I don't know what it is that differentiates it, but like I don't know if you can see this clearly or not, but it is actually blue in color. One of my favorite blues. So that's pretty nice. Other than that, it is quite sunny right now. So I don't know what the dynamics are. But कितना दूर तक जा सकते हैं? There are 3 idiots. Podiums. All is well. This must be the scooter that Kareena Kapoor rode. So guys, we have decided to like get our feet into the Pangong Lake. Oh god, it's so nice. Whew. Oh, so chill, man. God. Hi guys, so we have reached a cottage. So we have a lovely cottage here near Pangong Lake. So if you can see, you can directly view the lake from here. And this is our room, just about here. People are nice over here, and it's still sunny, so I don't know the dynamics of this place, because if you can see the mountains over there, they do have the snow, or the glaciers are present over there. So it's pretty weird, because practically I can see that the glaciers are very near, like it's too near us, like, but it's too sunny. So we are expecting it to get really cold around 7 p.m. because we have the lake just right there and the mountains are also there. So yeah, let's... Hi! हिंदी आती है आपको?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಡೋದು.